No, yesterday. Okay. Okay, I think we can go for this with this scale. Okay, this we have created yesterday. Let us see how to print this. So what color you want, you can choose here. Yeah, that then that way yesterday we have put some 2 mm or 3 mm. We have to extrude that. Now it's visible, no? You have to extrude to some mm, up to some 3 or 4 mm. It will be extruded. The thickness we have to give. Now I am going for the default profile here.
Yes.
I am
Okay.
choosing some extra fine 0.06. I am not changing anything.
Is it possible to adjust the design here, browser?
So design you can change only the length, increase or decrease. Either the entire thing you can increase or decrease, or for example, I will tell you. Here is there no scaling option.
Yeah.
If I am just selecting this snap scaling, then I can go for in X direction some. If I want to increase the length, okay, then I can go for instead of 100%, if I put some 150%, you can see there will be increase only in this direction. Remaining other two will be same. But normally once it was designed, okay, the dimension, if you want to change, it should be uniformly changed, not in one direction. Okay, sir, I think you got it.
Yes, browser.
This I will change into another color. White. So I have changed to white here. Now I am going for slicing. Okay. So now I am going for preview. I think here there is no requirement for support. So totally 358 layers. So if you want to see any preview here, you can see the preview. So this is the way it will print in the 3D printer also. I think you can able to see the letters here.
Yes.
Yes, letters is visible. You can directly give print. You can save this, and you can, if you give the print, you will get this.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.